Okay, first, I had purchased this nightstand from Goodwill. It was only $7, but I noticed that once I got it home, like you could kind of tell like this side is not even. I don't know if it's gonna focus. So this side is not even, and it was wobbling. So I flipped it over to see if I can fix it, and noticed that it had this piece inside it. And I noticed that this is a cam lock. It's a furniture cam lock, and it was broken. So I had the bottom piece that went to it, and it was broken. So I went to Lowe's and purchased all new cam locks. So I'm gonna flip this over and and insert all new cam locks in this piece. And once I get done, I'm going to paint it, and I'm going to prime it and paint it, and I'm going to show you how I redo this nightstand and make it into something that's really beautiful. Okay, so here's the bottom of the drawer. I inserted this one to see if it would fit first, but see, all of these cam locks are missing, and all the ones at the bottom as well. So I'm going to insert these and then flip it over. So it got later on in the day, so if it's kind of dark, it's just because, like I said, it's dark outside. And the paint that I did, little paint swatches on different parts of the the nightstand, so I could see what it would look like. And it shows all the way around. I tried to sand it a little bit, but it wasn't really sanding, just like little blotches like that. And I kept going, and it just stayed like that. But the paint that I'm using is this sample paint from Valspar. And, oh, on camera I look kind of ashy, but it's just the lighting. Okay, it's the sample paint by Valspar, and this dripping down because I did, like I said, I did a few sample colors. But this is Dark Night. So, yeah, so this is Dark Night by Valspar, and in the jar it looks like that, but this is 2 coats. I'm about to give it a 3rd coat, and then I'm going to test coat just to see what it looks like. And once I'm done testing it, I'll see if I like the coverage. So far it kind of looks nice with the 2 coats, but I still can see the brown. So I'm going to give it another coat of the paint, and then I'm going to see if I like it. And if I don't like the way it's going to cover up with the sample, I did one on the top, one on the side, and one on the drawer. And the drawer won't come out, so I just took the knob out. But if I don't like the way it comes out, and if it still look a little dark to me, then I'm going to prime it. At first, I just didn't want to prime it first, because Valspar is supposed to be like the cover paint that you don't have to use a primer. It's supposed to be like paint and primer in one. So if I don't like the way it looked, I'm gonna do a primer piece next to it just to see if I would like what it looks like. So I'll show you that once I come back. Okay, so sorry if it's a little patchy. I know you probably like, what the hell? But I'm not a professional at this painting thing. I can paint, yes, but usually I just do stuff like this just to test it to see what it looks like. And to me, it doesn't really look any different. It really just looks more purple on the white than blue. And it's supposed to be more like a navy color. So, I mean, so far it's okay. It's supposed to be more of a blue color. But it's looking more purple to me. But anyway, I'm going to let these dry, and it doesn't matter if I prime it or not. I'm probably just going to go ahead and start painting it. Because it really doesn't look any different. When I say any different, it doesn't look any different to me. So anyways, but I'm going to leave it like this, and I'm just going to start painting it, and I'm going to do possibly 3 to 4 coats. So now I can kind of sort of tell that the dresser is like blue gray kind of sort of, but like I said, the color is Dark Night, And this is after I have painted it 3 coats. So now I'm gonna do something else to the drawer and probably going around it. I really like the way it looks like this. I like it plain, but I'm thinking about adding a nice knob. Going to get a new knob for it, and probably putting something on it. But I like it. I like it now. At first I didn't, but it kind of looks nice. So this is the nightstand, and I'm going to finish it up, let it dry all the way, and then I'm going to show you how I decorate it. So this is the completed nightstand, and it's so pretty in my room, and I'm going to decorate it. And I use this green diamond like drawer pull, and I thought it was so pretty because my colors are gray and white, green, and blue. Okay, so when you enter into my room, you see the nightstand right there, and there is pictures. A picture of me and my husband when we eloped right here. And there is a vase, and all the vase and the flowers that just came from the Dollar Tree. So I just kept it clean and simple. And like I said, the color is Dark Night, and it's blue. It's more like a blue gray color, but it's very pretty. And I used a green drawer pull, and I think it's so pretty. And here is a view. So pretty. So this is the ending. Thank you for watching.